Welcome back, everybody. It's another decent day, which is not too cold out today. So we got the logging truck fixed. We bent this air shock on this side, so we reinforced the bracket so it won't bend. We broke the other side completely off, so it was pushing through the box. And we made the A-frame to hold the whole crane arm in position, so that's good and tight now. So now we can go see if we can recover Big Red down there and see if we can get it out. We're definitely not coming up the hill this way. We're gonna have to go through the other way. So see if we can do a little recovery. Hopefully. Of course, there's no guarantee we're gonna get it that far because the snow is starting to get packy. So we'll have to beat down the driveway a little bit with the Dodge. But this thing likes to play in the snow. Of course, it's not very easy shifting and holding the camera at the same time. At least it didn't snow me in too bad. Get this all beat down real quick. We got some deer. Oh, there's a hole. Got some good deer tracks down here. Another hole. Of course, not really sure how well this is gonna go, but we're pretty much gonna wing it, see how it goes. Alright, so got it hooked up for right now. So let's see if we can actually get it to move backwards a little bit. Snow is definitely good and packy. Packy snow. Put her in first. Let's see if she'll move. So we got her to move, but this is going to be definitely fun. Trying to get this thing back up to the house. Alright, so steering is in free spool, so the truck will turn when we turn. Oh. See if we can get it over there. we're getting there. Well, she got a little too close to the tree. Oops. We ripped the bar off. And bent the tubing. Whatever. A-frame's holding up. Well, I guess we mounted to a different spot. Turn the steering back. We didn't do any damage, so we're okay. Ripping the front bumper off. You keep falling over. Goddamn fucking tripods. Oh, that looks like a good spot. Hopefully you stay in this spot and we can see if something breaks and you guys can catch it. Right there. Hey, so we got the cable all the way winched out, a full 100 feet on it. Granted that we had to re-spool this winch anyways. So we got some brakes underneath the back tires because this thing doesn't have good e-brakes and it will probably just slide in the snow anyway. So we're going to try to winch it up the hill here and see how it goes. Moving very slowly, but she is coming. So we got tired of this 12,000 pound winch what's on this truck. I don't know if I have not enough voltage to it or if the battery is too far from it. So the battery in the red truck works. That's an 8,000 pound winch. That winch is way faster than this fucking thing. So we're gonna unspool that winch because that's bound up. So we'll re-spool this one at the same time, and then we'll pull from that truck up. Woohoo! We got it to the road. Now let's get it up to the house. So I'm not very impressed with the 12,000-pound freaking winch, because that's a 3-phase motor instead of a 2-phase motor. The electric brake on it sucks. The thing will winch out on itself under load, what is not good. The A-frame held up wonderfully. Didn't bend anything. Our only little problem was this got tweaked over when we hit the tree. That was expected, so yay. At least that worked, so that was awesome. So at least we did get Big Red back up here. That took most of the day for me to get it out of the field. Would have taken longer if we came up the field instead of going around through the other driveway. This winch always works well, but I did notice it was starting to smoke a little bit, and the little relay solenoid switch is burnt, the wire is burnt off. So we're gonna have to fix that so we don't have a short on it. But besides that, and that's the difference. This Tractor Supply winch, that one's Harbor Freight winch. This 8,000-pound winch moves way faster, quicker, and has a brake on it. You know, for the extra $100, because Sarah and I paid probably $400 for this one, and the other one was like $3 something or whatever. Yeah, spend the extra dollars at Tractor Supply and get one of these. These work really well for quick winching instead of just the slow bogging winches. But besides hitting the tree with it and pulling part of the tubing off, what we didn't really have fully welded, should have known better, but whatever. We have it back up here. Took forever. I mean, we did get a little bit of damage in here. Split the weld right there when we did hit the tree, but that's expected. Let's see. Well, we can lay underneath this thing. Oh, I see it already. See it. Doo-doo. See, we'll open the little door. Let's look inside. Yeah. I think that's a blown clutch. You say? Ain't much left of that. Well, at least none of the bolts came out, so that was a good thing. But it destroyed that clutch. And whatever else was in there. So obviously we know what that was. Not fun. Oh. So that means that's all jammed up. I mean, looks like it's a nest, but my experience last time when this went, I think it's just the clutch. What mostly looks like it's all blown out, so looks like we need a new clutch. Oh boy. Oh. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little recovery. Well, not really little. Big recovery. Of course, I don't know when I'll be able to get back to this. on Big Red, we're literally going to have to tear the whole thing back apart. Pull the whole nose off, the whole cab, to be able to pull the 5-speed and the 4-wheel drive case back out of it. Because the cross member is all shit, so we never repaired that the last time. Because we just had the body off, so that was simpler. And these come with a really nice remote, so you get the toggle switch and everything. Like, this is a really nice remote. That other one, that thing is like this little square box, it's just a little flip switch, like, it's crap. It's already burnt out once since I've had it. So, it is what it is. I like the Tractor Supply ones because they are a little bit cheaper, but fuck Harbor Freight fucking winches. Definitely don't like them. And the logging truck definitely needs some weight and some new tires. It don't like this sticky, wet snow. But it is fun to drift around in the field with it. It just slides all over the place. That was the whole plan with this last video. But clutch went. Oh well. Till next time, hopefully we'll be back on the taillights for the car. Subscribe, share, like. Hit that notification button down at the below.